An electric oil well pump is a crucial piece of equipment in the oil and gas industry, designed to efficiently extract crude oil from underground reservoirs. Unlike traditional mechanical pumps, electric oil well pumps utilize high-powered electric motors to drive the pumping mechanism, providing a more consistent, energy-efficient, and low-maintenance solution for oil extraction. These pumps are typically used in artificial lift systems, where natural reservoir pressure is insufficient to bring oil to the surface. They operate with precision, using variable speed drives, VSDs, and automation controls to optimize flow rates, reduce wear and tear, and enhance overall operational efficiency. With advancements in modern engineering, electric pumps are built to withstand harsh environmental conditions, including extreme temperatures, high pressures, and corrosive substances commonly found in oil fields. Their ability to operate with minimal manual intervention makes them a preferred choice for remote and offshore drilling sites, where reliability and long-term performance are essential. One of the primary advantages of electric oil well pumps is their efficiency and sustainability compared to conventional pumping methods. They consume less energy while delivering higher extraction rates, reducing overall operational costs for oil producers. Many modern electric pumps come equipped with real-time monitoring systems, allowing operators to track performance metrics, detect potential failures, and make adjustments remotely, minimizing downtime and costly repairs. These systems can integrate with SCADA, supervisory control, and data acquisition platforms, providing data-driven insights for better decision-making and predictive maintenance strategies. Additionally, the reduction in mechanical parts, such as belts and gears found in traditional pumps, results in lower maintenance requirements and an extended lifespan. As the industry shifts toward eco-friendly solutions, electric oil well pumps also contribute to lowering carbon footprints by reducing emissions associated with traditional gas-powered or diesel-driven pumps. With their high adaptability, durability, and intelligent control systems, electric oil well pumps are shaping the future of oil extraction by offering a smarter, more efficient, and cost-effective solution for modern energy production.